Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly the steps you need to take to view and export the entries from a particular form on your website. So in this case, we'll look at the form here, online application, which is embedded on the Apply Now page. All we need to do is get to the back end of the site and click on Forms. From there, you actually have the option to click on Import Export, and you can then click on Export Entries unless it's already selected by default, which in this case it is, and then select the form which you want to export the entries from. In this case it's online application, and then you can select the specific fields that you wish to export. Many times it's easiest just to click select all and it'll export every single form or field on the form, and that's it. If you want to make it more specific, you can select all and then uncheck any selections you don't wish to include on the exported spreadsheet. And the file it will export is actually a CSV format file, which can be opened in Google Sheets or in Microsoft Excel or any spreadsheet program. On a Mac, it might be Numbers. So once you've selected all the fields you wish to export and include on that spreadsheet, you can then also include conditional logic if there's any. For example, if you only want to export applications for TK or for 4th grade, you could say export entries if the grade applying for is 4th grade. So that's how you can filter out certain applications if you wish, or simply leave out any conditional logic and it'll export all of the entries on this form. You can also select a date range if you wish to only export, for example, applications from the month of February. You can select February 1st, 2024 through the end of February and then download the export file. It will only give you applications on that export for that particular date range. Once you click download export file, that's all there is to it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to Gradelink website support.